What if you could greatly reduce human error in your company? Would that be worth 3 hours of training for each person in your organization? The Error Prevention Institute has studied human error for over 25 years, and we have learned that by motivating, educating, and supporting employees through our easy-to-use programs, error prevention becomes part of the work culture and offers other benefits as well. The Error Prevention Basic Training course covers the basics of error prevention, including how to use AESOP Mini Huddles, the conservative response rule, and over 20 traps and tools of error prevention. Our online e-learning course consists of 6 30-minute modules. Module 1, Error Prevention Basics. An introduction to the most fundamental traps and tools so you can start avoiding mistakes and increasing effectiveness right away. Module 2, What's your attitude? Learn to recognize and neutralize 6 hazardous attitudes and 6 special situations that can lead to sudden loss of judgment. Module 3, How's your stuff? Learn how to analyze internal and external resources to determine if you have what it takes to successfully complete any given task or assignment. Module 4, Working together effectively. In this module, you will learn about personality and team traits that affect how people work together, as well as how to make communications effective to facilitate team performance. Module 5, What's your situation? Many of the traps lead to loss of situational awareness, so you will learn how to maintain peak awareness, how to realize when you have lost awareness, and how to recover it if your awareness is diminished. Module 6, Good decision making. Learn how to apply the tools of error prevention to improve individual and team decisions, and how to incorporate the concepts you have learned into your daily activities. The Error Prevention Basics course teaches dozens of traps and tools of human nature. Traps like the strength of an idea, which is an unconscious attempt to make evidence fit a preconceived idea, or perceived pressure, that feeling that your boss wants you to hurry or ignore procedures. The co-pilot syndrome, where you are aware of issues but are expecting someone else to resolve it. You will learn how to recognize and respond to a pinch, and how the assertive statement will help your employees speak up about problems they see while remaining respectful of those in authority. Together, these traps and tools can be learned in just a few hours and provide a common language and framework to reduce the risks involved in your day-to-day assignments and tasks. EPI's training does not leave people scratching their heads wondering, well, what does that mean? Or that's great, but how does that apply to me? We have taken the academic base for this discipline and condensed it down to what really matters. No complicated formulas or diagrams, just simple words and phrases that people can easily remember and start using immediately. The tools of error prevention enhance both safety and quality, helping individuals and organizations to perform at the highest levels of effectiveness. It's fast, it's easy, and it's fun with Error Prevention Basics.